that sets the tone, I think, for the news. And it's not even really for you, right?
No.
It's not like they say, hey, if you're a long-term investor, this isn't important, turn this off. They just put it out there and they say, hey, this is something to be mindful of. This is something that we think might happen. And I mean, we see it all the time. Every time we ever get into like a group discussion, like a family or friends outing, you hear people say, well, I saw on CNBC. And I was like, yeah, but like, why would you react to anything that you saw on CNBC or any news media channel for that matter, right? There's just a huge disconnect